3 класс, английский язык, домашнее задание. Практикуемся читать. Страница 156-157. English. Spotlight 3. Homework. Further reading practice. Page number 156, 157. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. Nice to meet you. 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 I'm so glad to meet you. Thank you. I'm glad to meet you. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 156. 156. Further writing practice. Punctuation. Практикуемся читать. Writing tips. Как писать, советы. Пунктуация. We use a full stop at the end of the sentence. We use a question mark after interrogative sentences. We use an exclamation mark for commands and strong feeling. We use a comma to join two things. Read the email below and find 3 full stops, 2 commas, 1 exclamation mark and 1 question mark. Hello, my name's Yuri and I am 10. I'm in year 5 at school. I like English, art and PE. My favorite subject is music. What about you, Yuri? Using capital letters. Writing tips. We use capital letters for I am personal pronoun. The first word in a sentence. She's 10. Countries, e.g. France. School subjects, e.g. art. Names. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 1. Write the sentences. Use the correct capital letters. Напиши предложение и используй заглавные буквы. The answer. My name is Eva. And I'm 9 years old. I'm Ida. I'm from Russia. Her favorite subject is art. She lives in the UK. She speaks English. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 157. 157. We must do exercise number 2. Correct the paragraph. There are 6 mistakes. Исправьте 6 ошибок. The answer. Hello, I'm Anna. I'm 10 and my favorite school subject is history. This is my mother and father. Their names are Ida and Alexander. We are a happy family. Connectors. Союзы. Writing tips. Как писать советы. We use and or but to join two ideas. We use and to join similar ideas. E.g., I like ice cream and biscuits. We use but to join contrasting ideas. E.g., I like juice, but I don't like Coke. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 1. Complete the sentences with but or and. Дополните предложение, используя but или and. The answer. I like ice cream and jelly. She likes chips, but she doesn't like burgers. Can I have some potatoes and some carrots, please? We've got some sausages and potatoes, but we haven't got any rice. My brother likes orange juice and Coke. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 2. Join the sentences with but or and. Объедини предложение, используя but или and. The answer. We haven't got carrots, but we've got potatoes. Maria likes ice cream, and she likes jelly too. We have some popcorn, but we haven't got any Coke. I like pizza, and I like burgers too. Yuri likes singing, and he likes dancing too. He likes chicken, but he doesn't like fish. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye. My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна. Spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень. Autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.